Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Esperanza. I am a full-time content creator with a background in interior design. My fiance Skylar and I were living in Pittsburgh for the past 2 years, but we are currently back home in Eastern Washington. We have been here for over 2 weeks now. I think it's closer to about a month. And while we've been here, we have been able to check out so many new boutiques and cute shops, cute restaurants that have opened up in the Tri-Cities area. Today, I'm sharing with you guys a boutique that is actually in the public market in downtown Kennewick. I think the public market has been going for about 8 months now. So this boutique is called Yet Lovely, and the owner actually thrifts and curates everything in her shop, and all of it is basically thrift store gems, like everything that you would want to decorate your home with. We have actually stopped by there the past 2 weekends, so I'm going to share with you guys some footage from when I was shopping at the boutique, and then afterwards I will share the haul with you guys. So let's go ahead and get into the shopping at this adorable boutique, Yet Lovely. So it is Friday morning and I am here at the public market. I am going in to shoot some photos of this very cute home decor shop called Yet Lovely. Everything in their shop is so cute and exactly my style. I would furnish my home with everything in their shop. So I'm very excited to show you guys what they have to offer. I am also going to be doing a little bit of shopping, so I will share a haul of what I pick up. But let's go ahead and head on in. Okay, so I have a few home decor items here on the bed, but I wanted to show you guys this super cute tall wicker basket. It has a very boho feel to it. I really like the lid here with this really cute little wicker hoop handle, and it also has handles on the side, so it's like the perfect hamper, which is what I have been using it for. But you could also use these to store like blankets and things like that. They're really cute in living rooms, bedrooms, like pretty much anywhere. And I loved how tall this was, and we actually really needed one, so this came in perfectly. And this was actually $31, so I think that's a great price for a basket like this. You would pay a lot more than that in stores. Okay, so next up is this very cute ceramic piece that I'm very excited about. I love the color of it. It's like a very pale pink, kind of muted tone, and it has this like raffia design woven around it. This was $19, so I'm probably just going to use this just as like decor on a table or something. but I love this piece and it looks really good with all of the other decor in our room. So this is such a cute addition. I also picked up this piece. It is actually made out of paper. I think it's kind of like a paper mache design. I'm not 100% positive on that, but I'm pretty sure. But it kind of just gives it almost like a ceramic look, but it's very lightweight, so definitely an interesting piece. And this was actually a vintage piece, and I think they had 3 other pieces in the shop, all different sizes, but I really liked this size because it's perfect for like a centerpiece on a side table, dining table, coffee table, that kind of a thing. So I have to figure out where I'm going to style this in our room for now, but I love this piece. And then I also picked up this really cool cutting board. I'm not sure if I said how much this was. Okay, yeah, $37 vintage. And then this board, I believe, was $41. So it's this really huge, awesome wood cutting board with a handle. It's got some like interesting notches in it, but I would just use this kind of like as a more of like a serving tray or a display type tray instead, rather than like using it as a cutting board. So I am going to actually display this on this hutch that we have in our room, which was already in the room, this like extra room in Skylar's dad's house that we are staying in. So I'm not sure if I'm going to show you guys in this video, but I have plans on where to style this for now because we are just staying here temporarily. So those are all of the pieces that I got. I think I had a store credit for about 100, maybe it was 150, I can't remember, but I did go over it a little bit because I loved this collection, this like set of 4 pieces I just had to have. So if you guys are new here, we moved from Pittsburgh back to Eastern Washington temporarily, and so we had to basically sell a lot of furniture and decor. So I'm just kind of slowly building things back up with pieces that I love. I'm wearing my earrings from the haul that I did in my last video. These were from Urban Grounds and they were by a local maker here in the Tri-Cities area. I believe Designs by Vannah is her name, but they are like the perfect kind of fun boho statement earring. And I'm also wearing one of my new pieces from Gray State Apparel. I will also link that video for you guys in case you missed it. It was a few videos back. I have a few PR packages that have arrived and a few others that I'm expecting, which I will probably share in a haul. And I also want to do a decorate with me type video and like a room tour. I was thinking about doing that in this video, but I think I'm just going to save that for one of my vlogs next week. I'm still trying to upload 2 vlogs a week during this kind of like temporary stage. So definitely check back for more videos and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to check me out on all my socials at The Urban Darling and my blog theurbandarling.com for more content. And if you guys know of anyone that would enjoy my channel, please be sure to share it with them. That way you guys can help me grow my YouTube channel. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed shopping with me at Yet Lovely and this haul. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!